Hey, let's do this, guys. It's time. It's time to start posting a date for the giveaway of the amazing, the awesome, the wonderful Drocon Blue Bugs 3. It will be August the 3rd at 6:30. I will be doing a live stream, and we will pick our winner from at that point. How I'm going to be doing this is the last three review videos. You have to have commented on them, and as well as give me a thumbs up, be a subscribed member. Once you do that, you're automatically entered into the drawing to win the amazing drone. August the 3rd, I'll be doing a live stream, and I will pick somebody at random to pick a number from 1 to 3. Then that being video 1, video 2, video 3. Then we will choose that video, and I'll do a random comment generator, and I will pick the winner from one of those videos. So no expense to you, no, you don't have to give me no money, so nothing like that. All you have to do is just comment. Real simple, and I will send you the drone to you. I will arrange after whoever wins it some way of getting contact, getting an address from them to send them the drone. The drone is boxed up, ready to go. So let's do this. August the 3rd. And for the record, August 1st is my birthday. So feel free to come on over and hang out. And when I'm during my lives, and we'll have a little birthday party for myself. I will be 64 years old. So come on over, hang out, win a drone, and we'll go from there. So be there or be square. Bye bye.